So this wonderful belt bag, So Super Clean by Lima Sagrada, is one of my favorite items. So let me just put on, so you see it comes in natural, and then I'm just going to show you a few different ways that I love to wear this, which is to put it here and then actually show off the strap kind of in a kind of trailing thing. I think that's really chic. You can put it clean, you can put it anywhere. Let me show you inside. You've got this little neat pouch, this little pocket, these coin size magnets, and then a fully lined interior. And then the last thing I also like to point out is that sometimes I wear this belt bag without the bag. So then you have just a great little belt as well. Bonus.